Let's talk about the real life data transformation example. Quite often we receive Excel files by email, but we don't know in advance the file name. So the best way to deal with that is to use mask. So first of all, let me show you the problem. So we have a folder which holds, let me delete it, just one file, and we want to convert it into CSV. It's very easy. So let's start from creating transformation. We'll convert. Convert CSV. Delete the value data. Select the read type, set it to Excel. Connection name is file. Select the file. Select potatoes, for example. Let's copy definition. Create field names. Let's copy definition again. Set connection to result. Result.cc. Do the mapping. And now we're ready to run it. Works absolutely fine. So let's say next day we receive another file. Call it don't need to open it. Call it far field. We run it and it is failing. So that's very easy problem to solve. We don't need any scripting or file renaming, etc. Just always save the file into the same folder and use the mask. And it is dot. So you can run it now. As you can see, it works absolutely fine. So if you have any problems or questions regarding transforming data, any data, Excel, text, cloud data, just go to our support forum and ask your questions there, and we will do our best to help you. And as usual, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.